What's up everyone, I'm Jessie and I'm here at the Harley-Davidson Garage. Today I'm going to show you 3 different saddlebag travel packs. The first style I'm going to show you is a Premium Travel-Pak. These bags are made of water-resistant nylon and feature a silver piping trim, comfortable carrying handles, D-rings for an optional strap, and glove-friendly zippers for the main compartment and exterior side pocket. The interior features a large main compartment space with storage pockets that help keep little items from getting buried. In the right bag, there's also a padded pocket for your laptop. This pair of travel packs fits 1993 and later touring models with hard saddlebags. Next, we have the travel packs for hard saddlebags. These are also water resistant and can be easily carried to and from your bike with carrying handles. These feature soft sides to fill all available space within the color match hard saddlebags of your 93 or later touring model and measure 24 inches wide, 11.5 inches tall and 6.75 inches deep. The third option is the more compact saddlebag travel packs. These also feature water-resistant materials, carrying handles and inner pockets for storage, but these are more compact at 12 inches wide, 10 inches tall and 5 inches deep. All 3 are easy to slip in and out of your saddlebags and are a great way to keep your belongings organized. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harley-davidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.